Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for Mint Mongoose. Now, if you're not familiar, Mint Mongoose is a monthly jewelry subscription. For $16.99, you get 3 pieces of jewelry, and you can specify the tone of the metal you like, whether it be gold, silver, rose gold, so on. You can also specify if you would like to include earrings or no earrings. So let's go ahead and see what I've got for March 2022. She has daily specials all the time. You'll get emails with specials, and they're good ones too. So here is the cute little envelope with the Mint Mongoose seal. She always includes a card. That's feeling pretty free. Our inspiration this month's set is inspired by all of the lessons we learned from the not so marvelous seasons of life. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what oh, there's something else in there. Oh, how cute. There's a little bracelet. That's cute. Very cute. Oh, this popped out as well. It's a ring. Well, let's look at this first. And it would fit anybody. So that's kind of cool. Look at that. I like that. I should wear it on the other hand so this doesn't look so dull. Or I could say to my husband, this needs to be spiffed up a little bit. But anyway, yeah, I like that. I like it a lot. Cool. And she usually wraps it up in this cute little mint colored paper. And then she wraps everything up in these little bags for safekeeping. So I'm going to go ahead and unwrap this. I'll be right back. As I was unwrapping everything, I came across this card. Basically, it says happy 3-month anniversary. Now, every 3 months, she includes an extra goodie. So I am thinking that that's what this is. And thank you very much. Wow, that's just so nice of you. And she says, see you again in 3 months for another goodie. So in other words, every 3 months she throws in an extra for you. How cool is that? So for this month, I wear silver. So I chose everything silver. And here are the earrings. They're pink and it looks like they have like a silver foil in there. Very cute. And then the next item matches. It is the necklace. That's what the back looks like. And each one of her necklaces has an extender on it so that you can wear it way up high like this, or way down low, like down there. So you've got lots of versatility with her necklaces. And the ring, and the earrings. So this is what I have for you for March 2022 from Mint Mongoose. I am very happy that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.